Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to use Google Keyword Planner. Let's come to the computer screen and here you have to type ads.doodle.com. Here we go. Now you have to sign in to your Gmail account. Here is the dashboard of Google Ads and you have to go to tools and setting, and in tool and setting you will find the option Keyword Planner. Click this. Here we go. Here you will find two options. One is discover new keywords and another is search volume and forecast. If you wanna discover new keywords, then you have to select this option, and if you wanna check the search volume, then you have to click here. Let me click here, and here you have to put your keywords. For example, my keyword is pizza shop near me. Get started. Here you will see all the statistics. You can select the country from here. If you want to check for all locations, then you have to cross this specific country. Here you can see for all location 100k to 1 million searches per month. And if you want to check Google and search partners, you will have to select here. And if you want to change the location, then you have to put. You can change the date as well. Let me go back to other option. Here is a keyword planner, and then you have to click new keywords. Here you have to put your keywords. Pizza shop, pizza near me, and then get the results. Here is your results. Pizza shop 1k to 100k, and if you want to check the keywords in a specific area, you have to select here. For example, I'm gonna check this keyword in New York. Here is the statistics of New York. You can refine the keywords also, like if you want to check the brands or uncheck the brands, you can select it from here. Here is another locations, deals, Pizza John's, and other keywords, so you can refine your search also. So this is a way how to use the Google Keyword Planner. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Keep watching the next one.